like this glowy bronzy makeup look, you can watch it right after this. This is your girl Alyssa, the Curvy Curlista, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new here, welcome back. If you like this glowy bronzy makeup look. Alright, so to begin with, I've already cleansed and exfoliated my face. Today I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Rose Water Primer. Shake that up. Just going to lightly rinse my face. And because I want like a dewy type look, I'm going to use my Hydrating Face Primer by e.l.f. Next, for that dewy glow, I'm going to be highlighting the points of my cheeks, tip of my nose, right around here, my cupid's bow in here. And this is gonna go under my foundation, so it'll look like I'm glowing from within. The first one we're gonna use is this match stick. This is in the shade Rum by Fenty Beauty. I'm just gonna blend that in with my finger. Y'all see that glow? The center of my forehead. Ooh, so now we're all glowy. I'm not stopping here. The next glow product I'm gonna use is the Master Strobing Liquid by Maybelline. Let me swatch this for y'all. So it's like in a liquid cream form. Y'all see that? Yes. Not gonna get too crazy. Let's put this on the high points of my cheek. All these products feel really good on my skin, especially with that primer. I almost feel like I could go out like this. Next, for corrector, I'm actually gonna use a foundation. It's kind of orange, like too orange for me. So this is Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 340 Cappuccino. And like I said, this is pretty orange for me, so I'm just gonna use this as a corrector. And yes, I'm using my finger today. Next, I'm going to apply my foundation. Today, I'm using my Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup in the shade Caramel. Let's get my neck. Get the neck. I know she says,
Mom, get my nuts! Get my nuts!
Okay, let's blend this in. See how I'm glowing? So next, I'm gonna do my eyes, and I'm just gonna do like a bronze look. And for that look, I'm gonna use my Urban Decay Naked. So I'm just going to use the color Sauced. Just pat that on there on my lid. For my transition color, I'm gonna use the color Low Blow. Take that up to my brow. Then I'm going to take the color He Devil right here. Pop that right in my crease. I use my mirror for this. Then I'm gonna take En Fuego. Put that in my crease, the outside of my crease, and in my V, and drag that in. So create like a V. Next, I'm gonna use the color Ember. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Just spray my brush. All right, going back in with En Fuego to define my crease again. Now I'm gonna conceal under my eye using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 350. I'm gonna take my foundation brush and whatever excess product I have on, I'm just gonna blend that in. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of my Laura Mercier setting powder and press that in under my eye just to set this concealer. Now I'm going to blend a little bit of the He Devil and En Fuego together and just smudge that under my eye. Alright, now for brows. I don't know what my Ka-Brow is, and that's really what I want for this look, but I can't find it. So for today, I'll be using my e.l.f. brow pencil. Okay. Oh, we'll work with them. They're a little big today. Alright, let's see what lashes we're gonna put on today. Alright, so I got these lashes from the Beauty Supply today. Never used this brand before. Broadway Eyes. And I got these. So let's see. I think for this look, I'm gonna try these. So while my lashes are drying down, I'm going to put this highlight from this highlight contour palette by Black Radiance and pop that in my inner corner and my brow bone. Some mascara. Okay. These are cute. I'm getting better at these lash things. Let me not speak too soon. Time for my favorite part, contour. Next, I'm gonna put a little bit of blush. As a matter of fact, I don't want to use this one. It's very pink. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine. Lightly bring a little color back to my face. Put it on my nose. And for my lip, I'm going to line it with this Moira pencil in the shade 6. I'm gonna use this sample lipstick that I got from NARS. It's in the shade American Woman. Then I'm going to put this NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Peanut Brittle. Pop that right in the center. It was pretty. And top that off with my Fenty Gloss Bomb. Look juicy. Alright, so now we're just going to set this look with my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And I'm gonna dry it with my fan. I feel like this was very quick. It's easy to do. I also feel like this is gonna be my summer look because I'm over here looking like a bronze goddess. Make sure that you comment, like, and or subscribe and hit that notification bell. So this was Alyssa the Curvy Curlysa. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my hair, I'll make sure that I put the link below on how I got this look. And I will see you in my next video.